area guys, you need to drive your own boat. Para imuhang ipa. Langoy-langoy de.
And welcome to Legoland, Malaysia. So kung matumog Malaysia guys, just see around also for Legoland for a cheap price of 2,000 pesos only or more like that per entrance, and you got your water park, theme park, and the sea life. See ya! Dali na po sa color green guys. Kaya nyo yan. Ginusto nyo yan. Pasaka dito sa taas guys. Oh, mag-ride sa po silang duha guys. Sakit sa what guys? Oy, sakit sa ulo. Okay, kaya ninyo ng duha, okay? Wait ha, wait here ha. You better come out, okay? Guys, nagpaabot na sa duha guys. Mag-slide daw sila. Paadyo na nga lipong. Ako rin hinoy na lipong guys. Madlo kayo. Duha guys. Okay?
So fun.
Oh, and then you can ride your boat here. Go down there. Daghan nagtao gamay guys. Daghan na pero gamay ra. Oh. Area guys, so some slides. Slide. And some of the lazy river. Here. So every area po asa ka mag-ato guys. Naadyo siya cafeteria o naadyo siya kanana. Just in case mauhaw mo or magutom mo. So na po ni sila aning kuan. Lego and its land. So mo ni dire na area guys is the lazy. Para ni siya sa mga tamad dire guys. Lazy river. You want to go to there? Ayun, dagan na po. So, kailangan nimo mangatang og imong salbabida, guys. Just find your own salbabida. Totoo naman so small. Get to boy. Hoy! So, bombshell. Swim.
Sing guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dami. Ala. Nakambling daw siya guys.
Nakagawas ang mga kuan guys. Nakagawas ang mga football player. Sige, nag-soccer. Sere! Summer ang saya. Just a quick stop to this area ay para lang maligo. As it's all about the water park. Yung isa po gusto bakitabli.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on, hands up. Okay, 1,
It's all about Lego, guys. Yeah, guys, ting guys. You want to almost drop the water already. Ting. Kadugay ba? You see? It's got the ting. That again, the ting, guys. Master boy.
spoon, some ice cubes.
So this area guys is for the slide. And grabe na dyan siya kayo kainit. Init kay guys. Panggutom ng mga camel guys. Si Bibi, itom na kayo. Salit guys. Itom na mi kayo. There also guys can slide. Woo! Single rafting.
20 minutes maybe, 20.
How long is the Mebelly? Just now I saw the Aeon. I saw Aeon just now. Near one. You want? So the overview guys. Kaya gusto pa man yung magpa-slide eh.
There's only 3 people.
Evening guys. Grabe ka Enet. Hello!